Only problem I did see was right here. Hi guys, and welcome back. Like today, we're gonna probably not be out here too long. It's pretty cold, and I don't feel like being out here. So I think main thing is we're gonna work on this top part here. Try to get it all ground down as much as we can. Then maybe next time we'll finish grinding and paint it, hopefully. But yeah, like I said, it's I guess like 30 something degrees out here, and I just don't want to be out here. It's too cold. So let's get started, and we'll see where we get to. But that's why I want to get this taken care of, because it's starting to flash rust spots, and I just don't want any rust. So get ground down, clean and painted. Then we'll take off these, tighten in the dash. I didn't have any screws that I wanted to use because they're all a little bit longer, so I had to go by Home Depot and get some that are about that long that have that type of flattened head on it. Anyways, let's get to work. Well, I think I about got it to where I need it. Gonna leave painting here. I didn't see any rust or anything like that. The only problem I did see was right here. You can tell a little bit of rust in there. Other than that, I think it's pretty good. We'll have to straighten this out a little bit next time. We'll clean and paint and be done with this and move on to something else. I don't think it looks too bad. It should work. Shouldn't need no patching. I need to get in there or something and try and get as much of that rust out as I can. Over here, I just want to see what was behind here. A little bit bumpy right here, but I think that'll be alright. Didn't notice any bad rust holes here or anything there, so I think we're good to paint. We'll get this taken care of. I may come in here and knock this down, put a piece of tape on this, and the other side as well. But I think we're looking good to paint next time, hopefully. But it is extremely cold out here, and my fingers are killing me right now, so I think it's time to head out. Well, thanks for watching. Like I said, a really short video today, but I'm about to freeze, so got this ready. With air hose. We got this ready to paint. Hopefully we can paint that next time. Clean it off. And that may be all we do then too, depending on the weather. But I'm doing the, if I get to 500, I'll eat Royal Sauce Chocolate live on cam by the end of this month. See if we get there or not. But just want to thank you to everybody that subscribed and is going with me on rebuilding this. I know it's going slow, but I only have about an hour, maybe two, a couple times a week to do this. So that's why our videos are kind of short and just one thing, get it done and move on. Instead of a big whole, you know, putting the whole floor in at one time. And it took me weeks to do that. So it's the reason I'm kind of slow, as you could say, is I don't got a lot of time out here to mess with it. But we'll keep at it, and we'll hopefully get it going here. I don't want to say soon, but let's get it going. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.